presenting the sounds of Toronado. Listen. The sound of America's most advanced automobile. An automobile that rides and drives like no other, looks like no other, with that low-slung, streamlined nose, the wide, wide door, the fastback fuselage, the Toronado by Oldsmobile. Long before that gutty, high-performance sound was heard, there were other sounds, like the sound of the challenge Oldsmobile set for its designers and engineers.
What we're aiming for is an automobile that will provide even more passenger space, that'll provide new standards of ride and handling and performance, that'll embody a really new concept in style. That's what we're aiming for, gentlemen.
They wrestle with the challenge. The same designers and technicians responsible for Olds' engineering leadership in the 98s, the 88s, the F-85s. They lean more and more to one bold central concept as the springboard to all objectives. Front-wheel drive. A firm decision is made. They go to work. Sounds of Toronado in the making. Of the Oldsmobile electronic computers that analyze, mathematically, hundreds upon hundreds of parts and accelerate the work of refinement and redesign. Toronado in the testing labs, where parts and mechanisms are cycled literally millions of times. The unmuffled roar of Toronado in dynamometer tests. The new powertrain, 385 horsepower Toronado rocket V8 with the advanced new quadrajet carburetor, front-wheel drive elements, and turbo hydromatic transmission are run hard and long, the equivalent of hundreds of thousands of miles. The sound of test models on the road. In round-the-clock schedules, Toronado runs well over 1 million test miles at General Motors proving grounds. Flat out, full throttle, torturous miles over all kinds of roads. Over 1 million such miles to prove and perfect the bold new design conceived so long before. Does Oldsmobile meet its historic objectives with Toronado? Listen to the sound of success, the feelings of an Oldsmobile design engineer.
Take all the things you ever wanted in a car. Cornering, drive traction, ride, stability, room, whatever. Toronado exceeds every expectation. It's really a different experience at the wheel, a genuine breakthrough. And what Toronado gave us is already reflected in every 66 Old.
Those are the sounds of 66 Oldsmobiles moving down the final assembly line. Perhaps one of them is to be yours. It may be a Toronado. Or you may prefer an Olds in another series. Great. You'll find it benefits from the advances of the Toronado program. In fact, every 66 Oldsmobile is Toronado inspired. Every 66 Olds reflects Toronado's look of tomorrow style, with sporty new wheel openings. The Toronado engineered quadrajet carburetor, the Toronado designed strato seats are standard on many models, and many other Toronado achievements are shared clear across the Oldsmobile line. Bring them by, the wide, wide spectrum of rocket action cars for 66, the smart, low-priced F-85. Sporty Cutlass with a brand new 4-door hardtop model this year, the ultra-smart Cutlass Supreme. The rakish, high-performance 442. Vista Cruiser, the popular-priced Olds wagons with the glass-paneled Vista roofs. The spirited and luxurious 88 in 3 different series. The elegant, distinctive 98. The glamorous Starfire. And now, the one-of-a-kind Toronado.